You've probably seen it all over your Instagram feed, those AI generated Ghibli-style videos that feel straight out of a Studio Ghibli movie. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make them, but also how to do it with different styles. I'll break down these secret tools, I'll give you ready to use prompts, and I even walk you through the exact type of reel that's been blowing up online. If you're trying to go viral, this is your shortcut. We are here in ChatGPT, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find some pictures that I'm going to use. These look cool too. These are from my New York trip. I like this image. I think this is a cool image. And here comes the thing, you still need some storytelling, you need some creativity. What is the person gonna do? Well, in this case, I'm thinking of me standing up and walking outside of the frame, maybe even discovering New York. But let's just drag this into ChatGPT, and now we paste the secret prompt, and you can find this exact prompt in the description down below. Now let's send it, and this will probably take a minute or two. And in the meantime, let me look for another image. This one is cool too. Let's also drag that in already. And we can already paste the prompt, but let's just wait till the other one is finished. First image is generated, and I'm really happy with this. It looks so cool, right? And let's now send the next one. And I'm just using the same prompt. And while this is going, let's download this first image. We just press the download button. I'm just gonna save the image. Now we're gonna bring this image to life. We're gonna use Polo for this. Link is in the description of that too. And we're gonna use the image to video feature. So click on that, then click to upload an image, and we can select the image. And here comes the magic. By the way, you can do this with any style or other image. I think that's also the cool thing about it. And I actually advise to do a different style because I think creativity is really important. You can customize the image or have a whole different style, but let's just press OK. And now let's write a prompt. And what's really important with creating this prompt is that it's really descriptive. Instead of typing walk away, we actually need to make it really descriptive. So for example, stand up, then start walking and walk away outside of the frame to the right. Now you can actually use the generate with AI feature. We can copy this over and press on the generate with AI, paste it here and press continue. And it will generate a few prompts that we can also use. For example, stand up confidently, take a deep breath, begin walking towards the right side of the frame, slowly fading outside of the side. But I'm just going to press cancel. I'm going to try it with this one. Now there's a few settings that you can choose, standard and professional mode. Standard mode is actually perfectly fine. And then of course a video length 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I'm going to keep it on 5 seconds, and I'm going to increase the prompt strength a bit, keeping a bit of creativity. And let's just press create. And here we go. We have our first video. Look how cool this is. It's exactly what we wanted. Maybe I could have used a couple more frames at the end, but I think that's actually fine. Now I'm just going to do this with our other image too. And I'm going to do this with a few more images, and then we're going to make an Instagram reel. I generated a few more images, and I also generated a few more videos, and now I'm going to make them into an Instagram reel. Now you can use any editing program that you want, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to use Premiere Pro. And before I'm going to go to Premiere Pro, I'm going to download this audio. I will also of course share this with you guys. And I'm going to use an Instagram audio downloader. Let's just download this audio. That's it, save. Then in Premiere Pro, I'm just going to go to new item, sequence. I'm going to go into social, and then I'm going to use the social media portrait 9:16. Hit OK. Now let's import the videos and the MP3. I'm just going to drag those in, and let's drag the audio in. And this audio is way too long. I'm just going to check where it starts, maybe something around here. Let's drag that to the start. And then I'm just going to import the videos. So here we have the video. Now I also want to have them rounded. And there's actually a cool technique in Premiere to do this. If you're using a different editing software, you can also find these film mats. But I'm going to use a roughen edges. You can just drag that on it. And then you can set the edge type to cut and the edge sharpness to 10 and the fractal influence to 0. And basically if we now increase this, as you can see, it will make it more rounded or less rounded, which is really nice. So we can maybe dial it down maybe to something like this. And the cool thing is that if you add a crop effect to this, and you make sure that this is above the roughened edges, even when we crop it, the rounded edges will go with it. So that means we can make a cool shot, for example, like this. We can move this a bit to the top and add the other one to the bottom. And we can go to the effect controls, and we can copy the crop and the roughened edges by holding Command or Control on Windows. Just hit Command C or Control C, and then we can just Command V, Control V it. Now let's change the position a bit, so it's more to the bottom, and let's crop it a bit differently. So maybe something like this. I basically want to have 2 frames in this picture, so I'm gonna increase the crop a bit on the top one, and I think this looks so dope. Now again, all the links are in the description, and although this style looks amazing, it's still a straight copy from Studio Ghibli. So like I said before, I really motivate you to be creative and add your own touch to it. Now if you want to become a better video editor and content creator, and you want to utilize AI to the fullest, then do join the Social Creator Club Pro. Link is in the description. Then of course, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment, and then I'll see you next time. Bye bye.